Our first question. The kinetic energy of an object is 540 joules when it moves at 24 meters per second. Find the kinetic energy of the object when it moves at 16 meters per second. Okay, St. Francis Xavier.
240 joules.
That's correct. Our next question. Find the resistance of a resistor that dissipates 200 watts at a current 2 ampere. Yes, St. Francis Xavier.
50 ohm.
That's correct. Name the law. Name the law that governs the interaction between two stationary electrical point charges. Jarapa.
Coulomb's law.
That's correct. Find the truth set. Find the truth set of the inequality x to the power 2 plus 2x minus 35 greater than 0. St. Francis Xavier.
X is such that x is less than -7 and x is greater than 5.
That's correct. Matrices A and B are given by A equals 2 minus 1 minus 5, 3, and B equals 3, 2, 5, 1. Find the product AB. St. Francis Xavier.
Matrix AB equals 1, 3, 0, -7.
That's correct. Evaluate the limit. Evaluate the limit. Limit as x tends to -1 of x3 plus 1 all over x plus 1. St. Francis Xavier.
3.
That's correct. Given Avogadro's number as 6.02 times 10 to the power 23, what is the mass present in 1.51 times 10 to the power 23 molecules of benzaldehyde C7H6O? Take the atomic mass in gram per mole of C, H, and O as 12.0, 1.00, and 16.0 respectively. St. Francis Xavier.
26.5 grams.
That's correct. Determine the sum. Determine the sum of the stoichiometric coefficients of all reactants and products present in a balanced equation of the reaction SiO2 plus HF gives SiF4 plus H2O. Yes, Zabila. Give me your answer.
We have 6.
That's not correct. St. Francis Xavier.
8.
That's correct. How many sigma and pi bonds each are present in methanol? How many sigma and pi bonds each are present in methanol? St. Francis Xavier.
3 sigma bonds and 1 pi bond.
That's correct. Which jointed structure in insects bears the organs which are sensitive to touch, smell? St. Francis Xavier.
The antenna.
That's correct. In which part of the brain can one locate the respiratory centers? St. Francis Xavier.
The medulla oblongata.
That's correct. Indicate the mode by which an insect with a mandibulate mouth part will obtain its food. St. Francis Xavier.
Chewing. Thus, it uses its mandibles to chew the food into smaller pieces. For
I won't
absorption.
take it. Okay, so if it was round one, I would have given you a partial mark. So my question says, how will you obtain the food? So it will bite and then chew. You gave me a partial answer. That brings us to the end of round 2.